In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple email accounts to one user in Hubspot. This can be a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing communications for different departments or handling multiple clients. We'll make sure you have a seamless process in place, so let's dive right in. First, let's open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, check the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. If you're using HubSpot regularly, you might already be familiar with this step, but it's always a good idea to double-check. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with several options. To make the process quicker and more efficient, click on Sign In with Google. Choose your Google account that is linked to HubSpot. This single sign-on option saves time and helps you keep all your related accounts secure under one login credential. With the login process complete, you'll find yourself on your HubSpot dashboard. From here, go to the CRM section by clicking on it. This is where you'll manage most of your contacts, companies, deals, and tasks. Once you've accessed the CRM, navigate to the Contacts tab. This is crucial because all the email addresses you're going to connect will be linked to specific contacts. Now, select the contact to which you'd like to add multiple email accounts. You can either type in the contact name in the search bar or scroll through the list if you're managing multiple contacts. Choosing the right contact ensures that the emails are directed to the appropriate party. When you open the contact's profile, you'll see their email address prominently displayed on the left panel. Go ahead and click on that email address to proceed. You should now see an option that says Add Email. Click on Add Email to enter the additional email address you need to connect. Enter the new email address into the field provided. It's vital to double-check the accuracy of this email address to prevent sending communications to the wrong recipient. Finally, after typing in the email address, ensure everything looks correct and then click Save. This action securely attaches the new email address to the selected contact's profile, allowing you to send and receive emails through this newly added address. And there you have it. You've successfully connected multiple email accounts to one user in HubSpot. This capability lets you streamline communications effectively, ensuring no important messages fall through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the endless possibilities of HubSpot to elevate your business communication strategy. Until next time, happy organizing.